Hi, welcome to day 3 of today's e-course. Today is day 3. Let's revise what we've covered in day 1 and day 2. In day 1, we covered one is trend following, how you should add position when you're in the correct side and when you should cut position or exit quickly when you're wrong. And in day 2, we cover what is the CS insider swing and we cover what is the CS short swing. The CS insider swing, just to revise, is represent to you the long-term investor, and the short swing represent to you the traders. Today, what we're going to cover is what is the CSI and also what is this peak and trough line. Okay, let's dive in and see what is this CSI indicator. Okay, the CSI indicator represent to you the whole stock market, different from the CS short swing or the CS insider swing. It measures the different players in the market. The CSI represent to you the whole stock market, what the whole stock market is doing. And from here, the way to read it is exactly the same as the short swing or the insider swing. Is if it's above 0, it tells you that the trend is bullish. If it's below 0, it tells you the trend is bearish. And the slope, if it's sloping up, it tells you that it's getting more bullish. And if it's sloping down, it tells you that it's more bearish. Vice versa, if it's below 0 and it's sloping down, it tells you that it's getting more and more bearish, and if it's sloping up, it's less and less bearish. So we can see from here, this is the stock capital land, this is the CSI above 0, all the while when it's above 0. We can also see that the candlesticks over here is also blue in color. This coincides with this. And there are many uses for the CSI. One of the way to use CSI is to look for divergence, because this is actually looking at the whole stock market, what the whole stock market is doing. And we can see from here, see from here that from this date on, actually the trend is getting bullish, but it's getting less bullish. So this will give us a preempt, an amber alert to get out of position. Okay, so as the price goes higher, over here, we see that the indicator actually is tracing lower. This shows us that maybe the uptrend is slowing down in speed. Okay, so like we mentioned previously, the green arrows is our add position or our buy position. How do we exit our position? We will exit our position when the CSI drops below 0. Can you see from here? When it drops below 0, this is when the candlestick changes to red in color. When it changes to red in color, whatever you have accumulated over here over the past months, you will have sell all your position over here when the CSI cross below 0. Another way to exit is actually to look at the peak and trough line. The peak and trough line is actually like the support and resistance line. The support line is actually the dotted black line, and the resistance line is the dotted black line, and the support line is the dotted red line. So we can see from here, as the price is going higher, the dotted red line actually traces or do a trailing stop loss, okay, on the price. So we can either exit when the candlestick change red to here. Over here, that is also when the CSI cross below 0, or we can actually exit using a trailing stop loss. So how do we exit? Say example, we have bought some stocks over here, and if the price closes below, just to say again, is close below the price, the dotted red line, then it's an indication to exit. You may decide to exit, or you may decide to hold it for a longer term. If you hold it for a longer term, then you want to wait for the candlestick to turn into red. Okay, so today what we learn about the arrows, we learn about the CSI, that it represents to you the whole stock market. You also represent to you we also learn the peak and trough. We represent to you the resistance and support. So do sign up for the ebook. If you have not signed up for the ebook, do sign up for the ebook, and also please find out when is the latest seminar that is coming up, so that we can show you how the CSI work in more details. Okay, till we meet again, thank you very much. See you soon.